Today you're going to use a new routine to learn how to spell words that you've been trying to use during your independent writing time or words that are on your words to learn in your writer's notebook. You're going to choose 3 to 5 words. Once you've chosen your words, you're going to use the letters that you cut out previously to form the words. I'm going to start with my word suggest. I've taken each letter and I've lined them up together so that I can spell the word. Once I've done this, I'm going to mix them up and then fix them again to spell the word correctly. Once I have done this 3 different times, I'm going to come over to this sheet that I have and I'm going to put a check mark so I know that I'm done with that word and now I can move on to the word however. You're going to do this with all of your words until every single word has a check mark in the box beside it. Make sure to keep this index card and your list and put it inside of your folder so that you can refer to it and look back on it for more practice.